Hello children, good morning everyone. Let's discuss in today's class about a cross multiplication method of solving a pair of linear equations. So consider the linear equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So now write like this children, x, y, 1, constant x, y and 1. Now under this you write, first you write b1, b2, next c1, c2, next a1, a2, next you write first one b1, b2. Now like this you cross multiply children. So first you write x by product of these two minus product of these two. Yes children, x by product of b1, c2 minus b2, c1 is equal to y by product of these two children, this into this minus this into this, c1 a2 minus c2 a1 equal to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Now first you equate x to this constant and then you equate y to this constant children, so that you will get the value of x and y children. So first let's equate x by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equal to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1 children. Now this implies send denominator term of x to the right hand side children. So you will get x is equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1 children. So you got the value of x. Now similarly you equate y to this constant term. Now equating y children, y is equal to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1 children. So first you equated x to constant and you got the value of x children. Next you equate these two, last two, y by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 equal to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1 children. On equating you are taking denominator term of y to the RHS side, you got the value of y children. In that way you have to adopt a cross multiplication method of solving a pair of linear equations by writing b1 b2 c1 c2 a1 a2 and again b1 b2, or else you can substitute, you can take the coefficients of x, y and constant term and you can substitute in x and you can substitute in y and you can get the solution children. Any method you can adopt. So let's take some examples. Let's solve children. Let us consider a pair of linear equations 2x plus y minus 35 equal to 0, 2x plus y minus 35 equal to 0. Next 3x plus 4y minus 65 equal to 0. 3x plus 4y minus 65 equal to 0 children. So let us take this, let us consider this example. Now a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2. So let's write children. B1 is coefficient of y 1, B2 coefficient of y in second equation 4. First write like this children, x y 1. So B1 is 1, B2 is 4, C1 is minus 35, C2 is minus 65, B1 B2 C1 C2. Next A1 A2 2 3. Next again b1 b2 1 4. Now cross multiplication like this. X by 1 into 65 minus 65 minus into minus plus 35 fours are 140. Yes children, 35 into 4 is 140 equal to y by minus 35 into 3 minus 105 minus into minus plus 65 twos are 130 is equal to 1 by 2 fours are 8 minus 3 ones are 3. First you write like this children. 1 into minus 65. Again in the minus into this minus you will get plus 35 fours are 140. Next y by 35 into 3 minus 35 into 3 is minus 105 minus into minus plus 65 twos are 130. Next 2 fours are 8 minus 3 children. Now here x by 140 minus 65 is how much children? Difference of 140 and 65. You will get 75. Next y by 130 minus 105. How much you will get? 25 is equal to 1 by 8 minus 3, 5. You got like this children. Now what you have to do? You have to equate x term to constant and y term to constant. Okay. Now on equating x by 75 is equal to constant 1 by 5. 5 ones are 5. 25s are, sorry, 5 15s are, implies x equal to 15 you got children. Now on equating y terms. On equating y terms, y by 25 is equal to 1 by 5. 5 ones are 5 5s are. Y by 5 equal to 1 implies y equal to 1 into 5 5. Yes children, you got x comma y is equal to what you got? 15 comma 5. This is the solution of a pair of given linear equations. What is the equation given here? 2x plus y minus 35 equal to 0. 3x plus 4y minus 65 equal to 0 children. So in that way you have to use cross multiplication method of solving and you have to solve it children, or else we got the value for x and y, you can use that and even you can solve this like that also. Yeah, let's consider one more example children. Second example, x plus ay minus b equal to 0, first equation. Second equation, ax minus by minus c equal to 0. Once again, x plus ay minus b equal to 0, ax minus by minus c equal to 0 children. So here coefficients are algebraic terms children, isn't it? So coefficient here we will write a1 what children? a1 is 1, coefficient of x 1. Next b1 is a, c1 is minus b. Next 8 is coefficient of x in second equation a. Okay, b2 is minus b, c2 is minus c children. Okay, now let's adopt the method of cross multiplication and let's solve this children. So again x y 1. Now first you have to write b1 b2, a minus b. Next c1 c2 minus b minus b. b1 b2 c1 c2 a1 a2. Next b1 b2 a minus b. Listen children, b1 b2. Next a1 a2, sorry, b1 b2 c1 c2 a1 a2. Again b1 b2 we got. Now yes, like this. Okay, now x by product of this a and minus c minus ac, minus into minus plus, plus into, in the formula itself you got minus, plus into minus minus, b into b, b square. Yes children, is equal to y by minus b into a is minus ab, minus into minus plus 1 into c is c, is equal to 1 by minus b minus a square. Like this you got children. Once check now, x by a into minus c minus ac minus b into minus b minus b square, but already this into this, a into c minus these two, product of these two children. That's why you got again minus sign here. Next is equal to y by minus b into a is minus ab, minus into, again in formula you got minus, minus into minus is plus, plus c, c into 1 c children, equal to 1 by 1 into minus b minus a into a square. Now on equating children, you equate x to constant and y to constant. X by minus ac minus b square is equal to 1 by minus b square minus a square children. Now x, let it be here and take denominator term to other side. So minus ac minus b square by minus b square minus a square children. Sorry, minus b here. Minus b minus a square children. You got x value like this children. If you want, you can take minus common in the numerator. You will get what if you take minus common? ac plus b square. By even in denominator also you take minus common. Minus, if I take common, what you will get? A square plus b. So minus minus cancels. ac plus b square by a square plus b children. You got x value, that one. ac plus b square by a square plus b. Similarly, you equate y terms also like that. On equating y terms, okay, y by minus ab plus c is equal to 1 by minus b minus a square. So denominator term of y you send to right hand side, you will get c minus ab by, yes, minus b minus a square. As in previous case you took common, no, like that minus you can take common, or else you can keep like that only children. You got y is equal to, what you got here? c minus ab by minus b minus a square. So numerator part, if you take minus common, you will get ab minus c. Denominator part, if you take minus common, you will get a square plus b. Minus minus cancels, you will get ab minus c by a square plus b children. So x comma y is equal to, x is what? ac plus b square by a square plus b. Next, ab minus c by a square plus b children. This is the solution we got for x and y. So in that way you have to solve children. Here in the second example, coefficients of x and y are algebraic terms children. Okay. Yes children, I hope you understood. Thank you children.